In this video, I will show you how to create a page and add it to your navigation menu in your WordPress site. I will be using the Revolution Pro theme as an example. In your dashboard, go down to Pages and click Add New. Okay, we're going to say Service Businesses Rock. Let's make that our title. Service Businesses Rock. And then you can add an image. What's an image that I liked? Let's see if I can find it. This was a nice image that I found on Unsplash, a free photo site. Now, if you use an image from a free site, definitely make sure that you give the artist credit. I don't know if I'm going to keep this, but it's a nice picture. So you add a picture, and with these new block editors, it's so easy to create content. You can just start writing. Let's see, what should we say? I said it. I meant it. Service Businesses Rock. Of course, you will put more thought into the copy for your site, but this is just to show you how to add and create a page on your website. So once you have the page, you can preview it. And this is what it's going to look like live. Now, currently we have this set where it's the content and then a sidebar, but you can have it full page. But for this intent and purposes, we're just going to show you how to do it on this site. So if you like what it looks like, you go back and you hit publish. And it will ask you, are you ready to publish? And you click publish again. And then you can view your page. And there it is. Service Businesses Rock. All right, so now that you've created your beautiful page, you want to make sure that people can get to it. So you add it to your navigation menu. I did a separate video on menus, but I'm going to quickly show you how to add your new page to the navigation menu. Go to Appearance, Menus, and there's your new page. So click on it, and we're just going to add it to the left menu. And we'll add this one. We'll delete this one. You don't have to delete one in order to add one. I just want to. And most importantly, save the menu. And now when you go to your website, there's your page, Service Business Rock. That's it. So you've seen how to create a page and how to add it to your navigation menu. And that's all that it is to it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to do a blog page, because that's different, because it's where all of your blog posts are linked to. But this is it for a regular standard page.